16Z6. First mod, getting rid of this. Fixing every little thing on it, so I hope y'all enjoy. It's what's in the glove box. Alright, so here I am in the interior, and one of the first things I do when I get a new old Honda, is to check the e-brake. This one should feel firm after the first 6 clicks. And that doesn't feel firm at all. That's the rest. So I'm going to clean this and then get to adjusting it, which is rather simple. It's just this 12mm right here. Just tighten it and then test, and then I'll get on to the next thing. I normally have a scavenger hunt for the forbidden French fries in between the seats, but didn't find any this time, unfortunately. Basically, you just turn this. Oh, it's doing something. I think I'm getting there. I think that's a good one. Yeah, that's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, that's all good. Let's go. Now, it's time to play everybody's favorite part about getting a car. It's what's in the glove box. Got some air freshener. Good friends, good weed, good vibes. Perfect. Oh. Hello, Evie. That's a keeper. Bomb.com. You the bomb.com. Keep trash. Oh, great. I got a band-aid for later. Some goodies in here. Mystery machine. Ew. Trash. You never know when you might need these. Got enough of those. Ah, making my money back already. Sold the car, told me he didn't have any money, gas money to get down to me, and then he's got almost $2 whole sitting here in the glove box. Oh my goodness. I wish I knew the story. This is a keeper for sure. Trash. Maybe keep. Ah, beautiful. Now I wonder what this is for. Never know. Mystery key. The sun visor screw that I've been looking for goes right here. I've been looking for this screw. Look at that. And the guy who put the wing mirror in owned the car for less than a week. Amazing. More money. Look at that. I'm balling. Siggy. AutoZone. Even more money. Like, I am balling right now. I basically got the car for free now. Alright. That concludes today's episode of What's in the Glove Box. after cleaning the glove box, I found a nice mint water bottle, and then I looked under the passenger seat, and look what I found. Owner's manual and warranty info. Like, minty. And this one has a card. Clearwater, Florida, so I'm guessing that's where this car came from. Now that I have the glove box clean, I can just stick this back in there, right where it belongs.